This video will guide you how to replace the solenoid oil pump solenoid in Mercedes C-Class 205. If this solenoid valve is defective, then engine malfunction will appear, like engine light will appear. Then you have to check actual value, the pressure of the oil pump, and then also you have to perform the test with the computer. Then you can replace. The location of this solenoid is the inside the near the engine oil pump, or you can see the engine oil pump. So you have to remove the charge air cooler and the big oil pump. So for removing this one, just you have to lift up the engine, also disconnect the engine mount, 3 volt each side, so total 6 volt for engine mount. Then you can get the access to replace this, remove this oil cooler. So with solenoid also we are removing this connectors, electric wiring, a small one, because sometime this wiring also short, we cannot identify. So when we are replacing this solenoid, also we are replacing this electric wiring, because it's inside the oil pump, also inside the oil pan. So for removing this one, you can see these are the 2 screw for this one. This wiring also you have to check the correct position, and then you have to lock inside this crankcase. For removing this solenoid, just you have to 2 screws T20, and then you can remove and you can fix it. So you have to lift up the engine when you are disconnecting this oil pump, because this big oil pump we don't have lot of space. Also bottom side they have this subframe. So this subframe is this very difficult to remove the oil pump, oil engine oil pan. Now I will show you. This one is the old one, this one is the new. You can see the difference between. This one is the stuck inside the spike.